Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iCloud Plus and an Apple ID. Sign in if you haven't. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and choose Hide My Email. Once there, tap Create New Address and Apple will generate a unique alias that forwards to your real inbox. Use this immediately when signing up for apps or websites to keep your contact private. Make sure you label it logically so you remember the source. This helps later when you manage or delete aliases. Next, create separate aliases for different services to track senders and limit spam. You can name each alias with a label: shopping, banking, newsletters, and Apple stores the forwarding rules. Once done, manage them in settings under Hide My Email or on iCloud. Edit labels, see usage, or revoke addresses. Make sure to revoke any alias that receives unwanted mail. Revoking stops emails immediately. If you use Safari or Mail, choose Hide My Email during sign-up to auto-generate the alias. To finish, review all aliases and revoke ones you no longer need. Revocation cuts forwarding at once. Make sure your primary inbox rules aren't sending forwarded mail to spam. Check filters and search for alias addresses. If forwarding seems broken, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or confirm your iCloud Plus subscription hasn't lapsed. One quick troubleshooting tip: if an alias stops delivering, revoke it and recreate a new alias for that service. Then update your account settings with the new address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.